Hello friends. So friends, today we are going to talk about a beautiful and stunning, amazing dashboard, and this dashboard is created in Excel. Yes, there are so many functions, there are so many formulas that I have already used in this template, in this dashboard, and this dashboard is basically based upon the KPI performance of the employee. So let us walk through this amazing dashboard. If you see, this is the first home page of the dashboard, and this is a dashboard link, and this is KPI performance page, KPI tracking metrics, employee monthly summary, KPI monthly summary. And here there is a text box given. Here you can give a brief introduction about your dashboard, the working, and whatever you want to give, you can give it over here. So let us click on KPI information page. So if I click on KPI information page, this page explain the kind of KPI that I have used in this dashboard. First is quality, productivity, attendance, initiative, training, and besides this, I have given weightage to each and every KPI that has mentioned over here. And let us again go to the home tab by clicking on this. These are the icons given over here on the top of each page. If I click on this home button, it will again move to the main screen. So now click on this KPI monthly summary. If I click on KPI monthly summary, it will give the month wise performance. See, quality, April, May, June till March, and productivity, attendance, initiative, training. These are the KPIs, and this is the monthly score given over here. And if you see, this is the YTM, year till month. The yearly performance is also given over here. And what are these icons? These are the icons. Basically, it shows how the performance is going through. If you see, this is the week yearly performance. This is a again yearly performance, and if it is meeting the target that we have set, we will also see the target that we have already defined. So if the target is meeting, it will automatically populate this icon over here. Let us again go back to the home tab. Now KPI tracking metrics, let's click on this. If I click on KPI tracking metrics, see, this is the ID name of the employees and full name given, and the name of the KPI, and target and actual. This is the target that I was talking about. So this is the target, month wise target given, and yearly target given, and the actual performance is also given. If I scroll down to below, overall performance is also calculated over here. So this is the sheet that you can manually put in the numbers over here, or if you want to get reference from another file, you can simply use the VLOOKUP formula or index match formula to populate this number. Let us suppose you have put in the data over here, then you are all set with this dashboard. So this dashboard is ready to use for you. You can use anywhere in your business, in your company, in your organization. So there is one more thing that I would like to show. Let us again click on this home tab. Now what is this? This is employee monthly summary. Let's click on this. So this is employee wise and month wise score given, right? So let us again click on home tab. If I click on home tab, now the main thing, the dashboard part. Let us click on dashboard and see this beautiful view. See, the first part is like, these are the indicators. We call it traffic light icon. So this is the quality part, this is the productivity, attendance, initiative. Because the numbers for initiative are quite less, so it is showing in red. The training, we have kind of average numbers, so it is showing in yellow color. And we have very good score for quality, productivity, and attendance, and that's why it is showing in green color. So these colors, these traffic lights, will automatically get changed based on the number, based on the actual score that I have already, based on the number that we put into the KPI summary sheet. Now here we have month wise performance also given, and this is the speedometer chart. This is the overall index. Let us select the month part over here. If I select this month, see, this is the July month data. If I select any other month, let us select February. So this is the February month data. The numbers are changing, the traffic light colors are changing, and the speedometer is also changing. Let us move a bit down over here. So this is the employee performance trend analysis. We can watch the trend of each and every employee, how employee is performing on month basis. Let us select some other employee name. Let us select this one, Pawan Saini. If I select Pawan Saini over here, see, the chart has changed, and this is the overall performance of the employee. And the magic thing is, here we have given top performers, the 3 top performer employee, and again this is all these numbers are dynamically changing, right? Let us move a bit down over here. Here we have KPI performance trend analysis. This is employee wise and this is KPI wise. Let us select some other KPI. Let us select the attendance one. If I select the attendance one, see, this is the attendance, how the attendance KPI is going on month basis, and this is a breakup. The pie chart is used, how the quality KPI is doing, how productivity is, how attendance, and again here we call it thermometer chart, by the way. This is again thermometer chart, and if I move up, this is again thermometer chart, and this is a speedometer chart. So in one view we can have a very nice and detailed view of employee wise, KPI wise, month wise, the top 3 performer, and guys, all these things are dynamically changing. Now let us move to these tab. If I click on this one, it will automatically move to the dashboard part, because we are already into the dashboard sheet, so there is no need to click again over here. So let us click here, KPI information page. So this is the KPI information page. Now click on this tracking metrics, click on this KPI monthly summary, and again employee monthly summary, and this is the home tab. So let me tell you that this dashboard is ready to use. Now let us see the working part of this employee, because if you are going to use this dashboard at your workplaces, then you should have knowledge of each and every part of this, how this KPI dashboard is working. And this is again very simple. So first of all, this dashboard is protected. This is password protected. The password will also be shared to you guys. Let me unprotect it first of all. This password I will share with you. Again, review tab, and now right now if you see that you cannot view the sheets or name of the tabs below the worksheet. So what we have to do, we have to click on file, and then we have to click on option, and then click on advanced, and now just scroll bit down, and you would see an option over here. Let me show you this one, show sheets tab. Just click this and okay. Now each and every sheet is visible. Now just go to KPI performance sheets. These are the sheets that we have already went through. Now if I right click and unhide the calculation part. Now what is this calculation? This is the main thing. This is a kind of engine of my dashboard. If you see, there are so many formulas over here like this, but again I would recommend you not to go detailed in this, because all these things are populating manually. So just go ahead and hide this sheet. Now let us suppose that you have this dashboard with you, and now you want to use this dashboard at your workplaces. So what you have to do, there is no need to go to the calculation part. There is no need to change the formula or write a separate formula for this. You have to just click on this KPI information page, and if you want you can change the weightage. If you want you can change the name of the KPI. And now KPI tracking metrics, here you have to write it down, the name of the people, the KPI name, and the numbers, the actual number and the target number. Just you have to write it down. Either you can write it down manually, or you can use VLOOKUP or index formula if you want. Otherwise you can just copy and paste the numbers over here. Once you copy and paste the number, just again go to file and click on options, then advanced, and just move down and click on show. We have to uncheck this one. We have to uncheck this one, and now the sheets are no more visible. What else? Just review and click on unprotect, and you have to again give a password for this. Now this dashboard is ready to use. Your data will be reflecting over here. And so guys, there are so many efforts, there are so many time that we have given to create this dashboard. So this is basically a premium dashboard, and if you want this dashboard, so you can click on the link given in the description of this video, and you are all set. So I hope guys you like this video and you like this dashboard. So let us meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.